WAV technology. WAV stands for Wireless App and Voice. It's meant to give you versatile control. So you can utilize the wireless RF remotes that we offer, and that gives you the ability to change the light color, to change the temperature, to change the brightness, even set memory settings without the need for internet, without the need for any type of hub. You need nothing but just the remote and the tandem LED WAV receiver with the lighting kit. Another nice feature with the WAV technology is the RF remotes fit into any Decora style cover plate, and they're wireless, so it doesn't require any electrical wiring. This means if you have a smooth spot on your drywall, you can actually make it look like you've installed switches there without ever cutting a hole in the drywall itself.
Hey Cole, we gotta put the phone down. It's time for schoolwork. Alexa, time for homework.
Okay.
Good job.
The nice thing is the receivers have the technology built into them. So if a user decides to upgrade their system and add the connected home experience, it's already built in. So if you connected an Alexa speaker, for example, it can find that device, and then you can control the lights wirelessly through your phone from anywhere in the world, or with your voice while you're there in the space.